I probably know on why you watching this. I mean, of course, it's my first video, and you want to freaking check my video. I mean, obviously, that's what most people do. When a channel gets popular, they're curious on what they will do, and they will just check their own video and say or comment, "A legend was born." Like, quite overused, but I do not care. I mean, it is whatever. Alright, like, this is my first, and I really do not care. Pretty nothing would even do anything. I mean, not sure what else to say. I mean, of course, I have my random contents or whatever comments in here. Obviously, there's nothing much else to say, so bruh.